Imagine a place where you could meet again. The world's first urban sun is a symbol of hope. Hope of a world without barriers. The coronavirus has changed our lives. The world's first urban sun cleans public spaces of the coronavirus for safer human gatherings. Let's bring back our well-being using the power of light.
What did you think about Urban Sun the first time you heard about it?
The first thing was it's a bold and brave idea.
I think it's a marvelous idea. What we need is courage to do it in another way.
I was skeptical at first, but then the more we started looking at it, it started to make a lot of sense.
While traditional UV light is harmful, the new 222 nanometer far UVC light is considered safe.
To see this data and these studies that show UV222 as being not harmful to mammalian skin and eyes was quite revelatory, honestly.
Validated by scientists, it could clean up to 99.9% of the coronavirus safely. Urban Sun is created by Daan Roosegaarde, along with his team of designers, scientists, and virus experts. With the support of the Dutch Council of Public Health and Society, and measured and calibrated by the Dutch National Meteorology Institute, VSL. We are the architects of our new normal.